This year, pumpkin spice season starts early. Don't you just love pumpkin spice? They put it in everything this time of year. Celebrate it sugarless with our fall seasonal syrup flavor, pumpkin pie. That nutmeg flavor is in coffee, chai tea, hot chocolate, baked goods, even Pop-Tarts. But just for a limited engagement. Imagine yourself having the power to flavor anything you make at home with the spicy sweetness of pumpkin pie. Now it's in a sugarless syrup. You can feel as uncontrollable as a kid in a candy store, but modern sweets aren't just bad because of regular sugar. No, it's pumped up with concentrated corn syrup, other super sugars, or lots of fat, trying to compensate for less sugar. We'll have none of that. ChocZero makes all these sweets possible again. So celebrate from fall, all through winter. With pumpkin pie spiced sweetening in hand, I can go through a 12-ounce bottle in a week, just because I love it in my coffee. So just use the links provided for you to go to the online store. Save 10% on your order by using the coupon code inside. Stock up with fast, free shipping to your door.